Hello everyone, my name is Raviteja Jitigam. In this video, I would like to talk about exercise meetup. I went to a meetup which is organized by Meetup Group Learn to Code San Francisco. Here we can see the URL of the meetup group. On click of this, we will land on this page. This Learn to Code San Francisco. Here we can find the whole details of the group. And here are the meetup details. The title name of the meetup is Intro to Express, that is Introduction to Express.js, and the meetup location is at 44 Tehama Street, San Francisco. It is in general called as Galvanize, and it is scheduled on September 27th. It's 2.5 hours long, and we can find the URL of the meetup. On click of this, we will land on this page. Here we can find the whole details of the meetup. We can register here, and here is the agenda, and here is the different technologies what a speaker would be talking about. Here is the list of meetup group organizers like Gerard, Andrew, Ben, Brady, Christian, Don, and Donnie. These are the people who started this meetup group Learn to Code San Francisco. And here is a brief about meetup speaker, that is Parker Lewis. Parker is a full stack developer and associate instructor in the web development immersive at Galvanize. He has led various workshops on front end concepts. Apart from this, he works for a startup company as well, and I would like to talk about Galvanize. Galvanize is a learning community for technology. Galvanize Web Development Bootcamp is renowned for transforming students into industry web developers. With less than 30% acceptance rate, the web development immersive requires aptitude, drive, and determination. And these are the different topics covered, like how internet works and basic server building using Express.js and Grunt, which is an building tool. I would like to talk about each and every topic in detail. Yeah. How internet works. First, in the meetup, it started speaking about how internet works. Like it started saying about the different layers which are present in the TCP IP, which we know that it's a transfer control protocol and the internet protocol, which is required for working of internet. He discussed about each and every layer which are present in TCP IP. Then he said about HTTP, that is hypertext transfer control protocol, and he started saying difference between HTTP and HTTPS and how HTTP is used for working of the internet. Here we can find a link which is a GIST link where we have the whole description of how internet works. On click of this, we'll land on this page like Intro to Express. Here we have the brief description of how internet works and each and every description of the each layer. He made use of this gist for explaining the how internet works concept. Then after he started speaking about Express.js. In Express.js, first he started saying about Node.js, which is in server-side JavaScript code, and he started saying about npm, and he started saying how Node is different from Ruby. Then he spoke about the means tag. Mean stands for Mongo, Express, Angular, and Node.js. And then he spoke about the Grunt, which is and build tool. In the Node.js, he said about this npm, which is a node package manager. Node package manager in general contains all the modules. If you want to make use of a module, you just need to run an command using the node package manager. As I said, the Node.js is in server-side JavaScript code, and comparing with Ruby, he said that Ruby has a rich community when compared to Node.js. and he said that Node would be dominating Ruby in the next year. And in the mean stack, he said that this would be a very good stack because from it would be helpful for full stack web development, because if we look at this, Mongo stores the data in JSON format, which is like JavaScript thing, and Express.js is an web framework which helps Node.js to build applications on server side, and an AngularJS is in client side JavaScript code, and as I said, Node.js is on server side JavaScript. As we have JavaScript, it's the same technology from front to backend. He said that the stack would be very powerful and very binded. And when it comes to Grunt, it's a build tool. In general, we can say it is an automation. This would be helpful while doing the unit testing and minification of files, so as to as we know this, the running technology is like all its like continuous integration and continuous deployment. Grunt would be helpful for each and every process. Here we can see the screenshots of the express code, what I did in parallel with the speaker, and this is the output of the application. If you see, I am running my application right now in my local. It is listening on the port number 3000. If you look at that, uh, I am passing two arguments 1 and 2, which is an add. It results in 3. It's right now running on my system. Yeah, I met like couple of guys like Santosh Verma. He's like freelancer. He's working for the he's building projects which he got gigs from Upwork, and he's working on Ruby on Rails. And I met other guys like Jeff Gibson and Pranav Gupta. Both work for the same company. They are working on React.js. And my thoughts regarding the meetup is, meetup was very informative, and I understood high level architecture of mean stack, which is an industry standard, how the architecture is right now. People are following in the industry, and I got a chance to speak with instructor in person, and I would like to attend meetups regularly from now. Thank you, Professor, for giving me this opportunity to share my ideas regarding the meetup. Thanks a lot.